Hey everybody. Right. So this isn't a usual thing, is it? If you're new to the channel, go and watch any other video. This isn't what they're normally like. I'm doing a video like this today because this is how I can do a video today. It's another one of those BPD things that happens. So hopefully I think some of you will be able to relate to this. I'm a bit stuck today. Just stuck is probably the best way of describing it. There's from time to time, and for me it's been less recently, but it still happens a lot. Most days. When I say less, it means it's not happening every day, but it is most days. I should tell you as well, I have a dog here. This is what my other arm is doing. So you just sort of get stuck. And all the things that I wanted to do today suddenly can't happen. I'm not really able to do them. There's nothing that's happened. There's nothing that sets us off. This is just day to day. And it works like there's some sort of invisible barrier that I can't move through to do things. It's like I find myself, I can go and sit at my desk in front of the computer, and I sit and stare at the mouse on the desk, and I can't make my hand go on it and move it and do things. I can do anything else with my hand, but I can't do that. And I can't turn the camera on. I can turn this camera on and talk to it. Don't know why. And so that's why it's this or nothing. And it's actually a fairly good way of showing you, look, this is what I can do today. I can do this. And maybe tomorrow will be different. Maybe tomorrow is going to be the same as this. Maybe this will be done within 20 minutes. Maybe just doing this little bit of what I could do is going to be enough to actually spur me on to be able to do something else. It's totally unpredictable. I have no idea when this is going to come on or what's going to make it happen. But whenever things that are scheduled to happen just don't happen, this is why. And it's so frustrating that I can't do stuff. I can sit here, I can flick through YouTube, I can play on my phone, I can even talk to my phone. But I can't do anything that I wanted to do today. It was kind of coming on last night, to be honest, because I don't like recording videos on the day that they go out. And so I tried to do something last night and couldn't get anywhere with it. Sorry, I'm a bit shaky and everything. You're very handheld on an iPhone front camera, which is really not ideal. I hope this sounds bearable. But I just wanted to put something out and just say, this is just what it's like. This is some of the day to day of just being stuck. It goes on to all sorts of things. that you can't make yourself do. Opening mail is a particularly difficult one for me, which I think is in some way related to catastrophizing. Every letter that comes through the front door is a stressful moment. So yeah, I get the feeling this is the kind of thing where some of you will be sat watching this going like, yeah, that's totally me. That's why I didn't go to work today. That's why I didn't go to work today. And it sucks. It really sucks. The stuff I want to do. I want to do things and I can't make my body do it. And it's not a physical disability. It's not a disease or something degenerative. It's a psychological barrier to doing things. And this is what has been with me for so long. This one. Another way I can think of to describe it is go to the edge of some icy water and try and jump in. And all of those feelings that you get that say, don't jump in the icy water, I get for basic things in life, like switching on the computer or going outside sometimes or opening a letter that arrived or sending someone a message, all kinds of things. And it's that same kind of crippling fear, but just being paralyzed. It is. It's like a temporary, extremely localized fear paralysis that's so odd to live with. It hasn't. This bit of it hasn't gotten better with therapy. It hasn't. It's difficult to talk about because it's not in the sense that I don't want to talk about it, but in the sense of just even figuring out what the hell is going on. It's like an enforced laziness. It looks like laziness. It definitely does. And I think that further compounds the stress that it looks like I don't want to do anything. So I'm not doing it. Which is, I think, a common problem with lots of mental illnesses, that they look like you just want to do fuck all and you found a way of getting away with it. And yet inside is something horrific going on. It's a difficult feeling to describe to someone who's never felt it. And I know what that must be like. I have plenty of times when I don't feel like this, and it's like that, just feeling like that all the time and never feeling like this. But some days, just, this is it. And this is what I can do today. So at best, I've learned to not hate myself for it and to not get angry and upset about it because I'm not choosing it. It's so frustrating because I want to get on and do things. And it is just a psychological, invisible barrier. And it's not pleasant. But anyway, let's see if I can edit this in some way and put this on the internet. And maybe even, I don't know. I don't know if I can do that from here. Probably, I've never tried yet. I'll see you later. Bye.